We're loading chickpeas. We got some pretty puppers. They already got their treats. Yeah. Just because I got the truck washed, it's been starting to sprinkle a little bit. Because that's what happens, right? You wash your vehicle and it starts to rain. So pretty. Look at his brown eyes. Yes, she's so pretty. Yes, yes, you are too, little lady. And that boy. Hey, don't do that. We charge for that stuff. That ain't free. Yeah, it's raining now. You love the smell of rain. Maybe I'll keep some of that dust down on the road coming in and out, but please don't make my truck dirty. Well, it seems to have rained just enough to knock the dust down, so perfect. As long as it doesn't kick up under my tires and make everything underneath all dirty. But I don't think so. Didn't sprinkle that heavy. Starting to fertilize. These trucks are loaded with fertilizer to unload into the tractor fertilizer, obviously. My brain shut down. I can't think of what it's called, but you all know. Or most of you. There he is. He's out there fertilizing. I can't tell if it's